In this video, we'll show you how to use the Batch Wizard in Remark Classic OMR to generate batch reports. If there are reports that you run frequently, you can run a batch process that automatically generates those reports after you've scanned your forms. Batch reports can also be printed or exported. After you've graded your tests using EasyGrade or the Grade Wizard, you can use the Report Batch Wizard to generate multiple reports in a single batch. To begin, click the Report Batch button at the top of the page. On the Report Batch Wizard window, you can either load a report you've used and saved before, or create a new batch report using the reports you've selected. Click Next to create a new batch report. On the next window, select the reports you want to include in the report batch. For example, let's say you want to be able to generate the student statistics, condensed test, and student grade reports each time you generate reports. Select these reports and click Next. If you want the reports to print automatically after the forms have been scanned, select Print Reports, make the appropriate selections on the window, and click Next. When you export the reports, the files are saved in a separate folder at the location you choose. Select the export format, browse to the location where you want to export the file, and save the file with the appropriate name. If you select Merge All Selected Reports, Remark creates one file with the separate reports. If you select Place All Reports in a single folder, all report files are saved in one folder. After you've made your selections, click Finish. If you want to save the report batch for later use, click Yes and save the file to the appropriate location. Then, if you want to use the report batch at a later time, you can load that file into the Report Batch Wizard. Remark then runs the reports you selected. The time it takes for the reports to run varies based on the number of reports you selected. A message displays when all actions are completed. When the batch operation is complete, click OK. You can then view the reports. If you frequently run these reports, you can set the report batch as the default report. Click the Tools menu, select Preferences, and click Default Reports. On this window, you can select one of the standard reports from the list, or you can navigate to the location where you saved your report batch and select that to be the default report. When you make the report batch your default, every time scanning is complete, Remark runs the batch process. The Report Batch Wizard allows you to eliminate steps and automate the process of generating reports, making it easy to get the reports you use most often. We'll see you next time.